All right, here we are on Williams 72 Mustang Convertible. We love this car. It actually gets to live over the summer next door over at Desert Drive. But we also have a list, like we went over with William. We have a nice little list of little summer projects. So when he comes back in the fall, some improvements are done in the car, some updates, some things. First order of business, sorry, my phone cut out. That was random. Will be taking care of getting this wiring mess out of the trunk here. This old amp and electrical nonsense. There's some old Pioneer amp that's been in here since the dawn of existence. It's not hooked up to anything, and it's more of a mess than anything else. So we will be taking that out. So that will be coming out and being removed, chasing that wiring. I might have to get in there behind the back seat, see where that mess goes. So I'll be working on that today, getting that done. I'm also working on getting quotes for the remainder of his parts that he wants for his upgrades over the summer. I have a couple texts into Alan over at Mustang Country for some items. Other items I've already found and have on a little parts invoice that'll be sent out to him later this week. I also see that we need to get those back in where they belong. That's not good. So, get to address that as well. All right, here's a better shot of that. Ancient Pioneer amp. And the wiring Hot Mess Express. It's obviously not hooked up because there's the fuse holder going to nothing. Lovely. Look at all that wiring going to God knows where. So we'll get this amp pulled out. I'll get to the back seat there. Get that wiring chased, see where that goes. Kind of clean this baby up.